I'm Glenn Frazier, and I am a video specialist here, video engineer with Freeman Audiovisual. We provide all the screens, the monitors, the cabling, all the switchers, audio, visual, lighting. If you want somebody who can handle the show for you without a lot of hassle, Freeman is the company that does that for you. The biggest thing that people have been asking us for is live streaming. That's where we've really liked the Pearl. Pearl has been a game changer in our product lineup. Company-wide, we do more than 1,000 shows a year.
Moving the equipment and the logistics of getting that equipment from one facility to the other, one venue to the other, is a pretty big task that we have to undertake every day, and making sure we have equipment that's reliable enough to withstand the rigors of that transferring.
Epiphan has been extremely responsive. We know that when we call Epiphan, we can have an answer, and having a relationship where you can bring a problem up and have a resolution sometimes within the same day, within hours. There's no way to measure that relationship beyond just pure success.